Hi there, and welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board as an EOR in Japan. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Japan, so in this short video, we will be going through some country-specific information, such as compliance documents. We'll be focusing mainly on employment insurance certificate, employee transfer form, payment slip from the city office, tax dependence form, resident certificate, company procedures, procedures for adding dependents, procedures for changing your address, year-end tax adjustment, occupational medical certificate and stress check, health insurance, and My Number portal. Compliance documents. Employment insurance certificate. An important document is the employment insurance certificate. If you are new to Japan, you won't have many documents attached with employment in Japan, such as your employment insurance certificate, pension notification card, or insurance card initially, and that's perfectly all right. You will need to submit a handwritten letter stating that you don't have these documents yet, and our team will then apply for them on your behalf. However, if you ever have worked in Japan as an employee, you will have an employment insurance certificate. You can submit an employment insurance certificate from any previous company. If you don't have one anymore, you can request a new one and receive it on the same day from your local Hello Work office. Inhabitant tax. Employee transfer form, payment slip from the city office. What is inhabitant tax, you may ask? This is a tax you are obliged to pay to the prefectural or municipal offices with jurisdiction over your address as of January 1st. The amount of inhabitants tax is calculated on the basis of the income earned in the previous year. Have you paid inhabitant tax in the past with your previous employer? That means you should get an employee transfer form from your previous employer. If you have never received the employee transfer form, or if you're currently paying your own inhabitant tax and want us to deduct it from your salary instead, we've got you covered. All you need to do is upload a copy of your payment slip from the city office and indicate up to which quarter you have paid. Tax dependent form. It's important to know what documents you need to complete, and one of the main ones is your tax dependent form. It's essential to complete this form even if you don't have any dependents. You must fill out the company information as well as your information, including your My Number, and indicate who is the head of the household. If it is you, you can write your name and then the relationship as myself or Honin in the form. You also must indicate your marital status. If you are married, please be sure to include that information, even if your spouse isn't your dependent. For those with dependents, it's crucial to ensure that you provide Deel's company information such as full name, My Number, relationship to you, and their income amount, regardless of their age. The consequences of not completing this form is your dependent will not be included in your health insurance and other tax implications. If this is your secondary job, please do not upload this form, but do please notify us as well so we can support you better. If you need a form in English, please reach out to customer support and they can provide you one. Resident certificate. This is also known as Juminhyo in Japanese. What is a Juminhyo? It's a document that is provided by the city office which verifies your current address, and it can verify your family members' information as well, in case you want to add them as a dependent. It must be issued within 3 months from the date you submit it to the company. If you request your My Number to be written on this document, you will also be able to use it as a proof of your My Number information. Company procedures. Procedures for adding dependents. Next, we'll talk about adding dependents. To add a dependent, you must submit an updated residence certificate with the My Number, Kojinbango, of you and all of your dependents included in the form, and an updated tax dependents form. From there, you'll need to update the Deel platform with your dependents information. Information to include is their full name in katakana and kanji or romanji, My Number, and their relationship to you. To add your spouse as a dependent, their income must be under 100,000 yen per year. However, if you make over 10 million Japanese yen, your spouse cannot be your tax dependent as per law, but they can still be added as a social insurance, in other words, health insurance, dependent. If they are not your tax dependent, please do not add them as dependent 1 in the tax dependence form. Required documents to add dependents may differ, but often include your spouse's tax exemption certificate from the last tax year from the city office, your spouse's last 3 months' salary slips, or pension income proof from their previous most recent employer, example February, March, April. Or if the spouse's last place of employment was overseas, proof of income or proof of no income from overseas is required. If any of your dependents over 16 years old are receiving employment benefits or other forms of income, they may not qualify as dependent. Even if they are unemployed, other documents are usually required, so please reach out to your support team for further information. This can be a lot of work to add dependents, but this is only required when you're adding them as a dependent. Procedures for changing your address. Another important aspect of moving is updating your address. You must update your information with the city office within 14 days after moving, or you may be fined by the government. At the same time you're updating your information at the city office, you'll be able to get a new residence certificate. Updating your information with Deel allows us to keep a record of your newest address so that we can send you mail, such as tax notifications, health insurance notifications, or other documents from the company, to the correct location. To update the address, please be sure to submit an updated residence certificate from the city office, an updated tax dependence form with your latest address, and you'll also need to update your personal information on the Deel platform. Also, if you move, we recommend you ask the post office to do mail forwarding to your new address. This will give you time to update your address on all of your accounts or companies you frequently use, such as your bank, your internet provider, phone company, etc. Year-end tax adjustment. Next, we'll move on to the year-end tax adjustments. The purpose of this adjustment is to calculate the difference between the total salary or bonus tax withheld by the employer and the actual tax amount you have left to pay or be refunded at the end of the year. If you are earning less than 20 million yen annually, we can make tax adjustments for you. But if you're earning more, then you must file your adjustments yourself. We'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to start your year-end tax adjustment around Q4 each year. You won't want to miss the deadline, so stay tuned for our communication. Medical checks. One of the most important procedures is your mandatory health check, required by law. Approximately 3 to 4 weeks after your start date, you'll receive an email from Value HR with details on how to create an account and schedule your mandatory health check. This check is required by law for all employees and must be completed as soon as possible. When selecting the medical institute to conduct the health check, please ensure to select one from Value HR Network. But if you aren't able to find any in your area, please contact us. The health check is an important part of ensuring your well-being, and this is a requirement by Japanese law to be completed annually. Please make sure to follow the instructions provided by Value HR and complete your health check within the designated time frame. Don't neglect this crucial aspect of your onboarding process. We will also hold a stress check annually. Employees identified as high stress are encouraged to consult with an occupational physician to help prevent mental health issues. The stress check cannot be conducted without approval from the health committee. To ensure proper implementation, Deel holds a monthly health committee meeting where workplace health initiatives are reviewed and monitored in compliance with labor and occupational safety laws. Health insurance and My Number portal. Now let's discuss the health insurance card. During your first week of employment, we'll submit your application, but please know that it may take about 3 to 5 weeks for the physical card to be shipped to you. Again, completing the procedures for adding dependents information is essential to apply for our dependents cards. However, rest assured that you'll be insured from your first day of employment. Remember to keep all receipts from any medical expenses incurred after your first day. Once you receive your health insurance card, you can submit your receipts for reimbursement. The deductions of your insurance, pension, etc. will start in the following month in your payment slip. This is common practice in Japan. Finally, let's discuss the My Number portal. As the government slowly transitions from using health insurance cards and transitions to connecting your information with your My Number card, signing up on the My Number portal is becoming very important. But did you know that you can connect your My Number with not only your health insurance, but also with your employment, insurance, and pension information? Now, you'll have one place where you can check all of your information. Please sign up if you haven't already, or if it's your first time living in Japan. We highly recommend it. Glad you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you now have a clearer picture of how to smoothly navigate through your onboarding.